chapter 5 of David Copperfield, and that is the question, what will become of, and then something. And that's a way of saying, what is going to happen to this thing? So when you say what will become of, what you want to know is what is going to be the result? What is going to happen as a result of this thing? You usually use it when you're worried, when you're very worried about something like, oh, the world is crazy right now. What will become of the world? You're worried about the world and you want to know what is the future going to be like for the world? Very similar to what will happen. All right, let's see. Here's the situation. Mike just bought a new car, and every month he has to make very large payments. But there's a very good possibility he will lose his job. Let's make a question with this idea. This is going to be an if question. If he gets fired, if he gets fired, what will become of? If he gets fired, what will become of his? What will become of his? If he gets fired, what will become of his new car? If he gets fired, what will become of his new car? If he gets fired, what'll become of his new car? What'll become of his? What'll become of his? What'll become of his new car? If he gets fired, what'll become of his new car? And here's the answer. If he gets fired, if he gets fired, if he gets fired, if he gets fired, he will. If he gets fired, he'll. If he gets fired, he'll have to. If he gets fired, he will have to. If he gets fired, he'll have to. If he gets listen to this. This is funny. This is how people talk, though. If he gets fired, he will. So that we've got these three words. Fired, he will. Fired he, fire D. Fired he will, fire deal. Fire deal. If he gets fired, he'll have to sell it. That's what you want to hear probably is if he gets fired, he will have to sell it. But that fired he will would be fire deal. If he gets fired, he'll have to sell it. That's very normal spoken English. Okay, let's try another situation. Mary has to find a new apartment. The new apartment will be much smaller. And now she has too much furniture. Let's make a question with this idea. When she moves, what'll become of? What'll become of her extra furniture? What'll become of her? What'll become of her? When she moves, what'll become of her extra furniture? When she moves, what'll become of her extra furniture? And here's the answer. She will give away, phrasal verb means give for free. She will give away her extra furniture. She will give away her extra furniture. She'll give away her extra furniture. When she moves, she'll give away her extra furniture. When she moves, she'll give away her extra furniture. All right, here is another vocabulary word from